Hello and welcome to my art therapy channel. What are we doing today? We're going to be playful. Art therapy is all about being playful. So when you're playing with watercolors, what are you doing? I know, just have a glass of water. We have some watercolors. It doesn't really matter if they're too expensive or too good, as long they do the job. And then you're playing with that. Art therapy is all about playing and see what happens as we work. Hi, my name is Rob Gray. I'm the director of CECAT and I've been teaching art therapy for over 22 years. So now, what is the lesson here today? I actually don't know. A lot of times when we're doing art therapy, you just want to be in the moment and have a good time. So when my clients come to me, I encourage them just to see and what happens, and they're becoming just playful. They don't overthink it. Sometimes thinking can stop you from noticing. So Freud often said, we don't want the client to think too much, because when they think, the unconscious content is not coming out. It's like this defense mechanism is popping in. So we want to remove the defense mechanism by stop thinking. So art therapy in a way is about experiencing, being with your artwork, with your materials, and experiencing and noticing sensually what's going on, what you're doing here and how that feels. And then the art therapist could go back in and say, Rob, what's going on for you? And Rob can say, well, look at that. What's going on here? Well, it's very orange and blue. Okay, orange and blue. And what's that like for you? Well, orange and blue is a bit opposite, on the opposite spectrum. Blue is fluid and light. So my life, in a way, is fluid and light. But there's some pointy bits, some hot bits. Maybe a bit too hot. Maybe I'm experiencing a little bit stress in my life at the moment. And yeah, it's very true, I actually am. So when you work with the unconsciousness, it always comes up what's really going on. And this is how I teach art therapy. I want my students to experience this. And then they start to realize, oh, I could do this with a client.